And greetings from Söderbysjöns klippor on the Söderbysjön lake in Nacka. So to get here it took me around 8 kilometers from my home with my gravel bike squad, and you can see it is a very beautiful nature over here out on the lake in the Nacka Nature Reserve, with nature all around. So currently it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the lake it is 20 degrees Celsius, as you can see. And yes, it is beach day number 123 on my Sweden Beach Adventures on this 19th of August 2024, and we have back to school. Today is the first day of school for the Swedish students in the elementary schools and the gymnasiums at least. So still warm and nice, and then awesome for a swim in the lake that we are going on right away. So the lake is obviously clean and perfect for a swim here, and we have also a duck over there to join us on our swim. So yeah, let's then get going and ready, set, go! So nice and refreshing. So I have been on this lake earlier this year when it was so hot. It was crowded to get around to find a place. Today it was almost the same, but with an exception that few places were empty and free to enjoy. So we have rocks all around at most parts of the lake, and there is even a public beach also on the other side. And I spotted also a spontaneous nudist beach on the other side next to the public beach, which I haven't seen it on the map for Scandinavian nudist portal, so that's a new thing for me, but I will check it out some other day. But yes, as I mentioned, Söderbysjön, this is just 8 kilometers away from my home out in the beautiful Nacka Nature Reserve. And yeah, perfect day for a quick swim here in the nature to get the week going in the best possible way indeed. So yeah, greetings from Söderbysjöns badplats, and I'm gonna be enjoying a few more minutes before I head back home. As I mentioned, it's a quick swim today, but the summer weather is still so generous for Stockholm, and we're gonna be having so much fun with more beach adventures on my channel. So with the view of this beautiful nature at the Nacka Nature Reserve, I declare this vlog done, and I'm gonna see you soon then again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Grace.